Okay. Our chapter 4 digit numbers. Today let us going to learn about predecessor and successor. Okay. And palindrome numbers. Palindrome numbers. What is predecessor? What is predecessor? Okay. Suppose the number 10. 1, 0, 10. 10. What is the before number of 10? Yes, 9. What is the before number of 100? 99. What is the before number of 1000? 999. If we take 10, suppose I asked you what is the before number of 10, then you said 9. Then what about 8? 8 is also before number of 10 only, no? 8 is also before number of 10. 7 is also before number of 10. Yes? 7, 6, 5, 4. These all are before numbers of 10 only. Yes? Then, see here little bit difference is there between before and predecessor. Predecessor also nothing but before number only. But predecessor means the number which comes just before a given number. Okay children? Just before. And that means just before. Just before means immediately before number. Okay. Suppose 10. 10 means 10 just before number what? 9. Okay. That is called predecessor of 10. 9 is called predecessor of 10. Now you understood? Yes. The number which comes just before a given number is known as its predecessor. Okay. Once again I will repeat. The number which comes just before a given number is known as its predecessor. Okay. Now from now onwards you no need to say before number, you should say predecessor. Okay. Now then what about successor? Successor means nothing but after number, but here also same. The number just comes after. Just after the number which comes just after the given number is known as successor. Okay, suppose 10 is there, no? 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, these all numbers will come. But you should, what is the successor of 10 means 11 only. Okay, 11 only just after number of 10. So 11 is called successor of 10. Okay, now you understood now what is the difference between before and predecessor, before number and predecessor, and successor and after numbers. Okay, just predecessor means just before number, successor means just after number. Okay. Okay, predecessor means, once again I will repeat here, the number which comes just before a given number is known as predecessor. Predecessor spelling P-R-E-D-E-C-E-S-S-O-R. Okay, very easy to remember that. Predecessor, pre means P-R-E, D-E-C-E-D-E-C-E-S-S-O-R. Predecessor. Predecessor means just before number. Okay, next successor. Successor means just after number. That is the number which comes just after a given number. Okay, the number which comes just after a given number is known as successor. Okay. Here see, place value is the position, and position are place of a digit in a number. Yes, children. Position also no problem. Place already we said. Position are place of a digit in a number. The same digit will have a different value at different places in the number. You should remember that. Once again I will say you. Place value is the position or place of a digit in a number. Place value is the position or place of a digit in a number. The same digit will have a different values. Suppose in 4-digit number 2 will come 2 times. in the place of 1000, again in the place of tens or ones, like that. Okay, like that. That means the same digit will have a different value at different places in the number. Different value in the different places. Okay, that digit, that number has different values in different places. Now, see here. Now I will show you some examples of predecessor. See here, you see your extreme left. See the first 4-digit number, 2345. In each and every class, we will rewind that previous classes also. That means here we saw the 4-digit number, then we will rewind in your mind about that number name, place values, face values, these all. Every day we will repeat the previous classes like that. Okay, here I gave the concept is predecessor, but we will rewind that number name, expanded form, just we will think in our mind. Okay, now here see. Imagine in your mind, then what is the face value, what is the place values, what are the expanded form, yes, what is the number name, like that. Okay, then you never forgot that all concepts. Now here, the first number 2345. Here one more children, I already said to you, predecessor means just before number. Just before number of the given number. Here, whenever you want to write the predecessor of a number, you no need to write see all the digits. You just see your you just see the ones place, the digit, whatever digit is there in ones place. Okay, that's enough. If suppose in the place in the ones place 0 is there, then you should see the last 2 places, that means tens and ones place. Okay, how I will say? See here, first one 2345. Here I said no, you should see you should see the ones place. Here which digit is there in ones place? 5. Yes, ones place you know whatever the last digit, that means the right side. The right side, the last digit is 5 here. That's why in ones place 5 is there. So you should see that number on that one digit only. That's enough. Now, how to write predecessor of for this given number? That before that all left and all are same digits you should write in the answer. That means 2, 3, 4. Instead of 5, you should write the before number of 5. What is the before number of 5? Just before, not you don't say before. What is the just before number of 5? 4. Yes, you know one digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 0 also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are one digit numbers. Now here, what is the just before number of 5? 4. Then instead of 5, you should write 4. That's it. That other all places are same. 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place. Same you should write the places the digits, and instead of 5 you should write the just before number of 5, that means 4. Then the predecessor of 2345 is 2344. Okay, it's very easy. Now see the second one. Here I gave you the number 4-digit number 1236. Then I said no, see the ones place. Here I gave 6 in ones place. You should write the just before number of 6. What is the just before number of 6? 5. Instead of 6, you take out that 6 and write 5 in that place, in that ones place. Then the predecessor of 1236 is 1235. Now come to third number 4008. 4008. If before whatever zeros are there, whatever number is there, you no need to see better. Just you see the ones place. What digit is there in ones place? Here in ones place I gave for you 8. Okay, what is the before number of 8? What is the just before number of 8? 7. So instead of 8 you should write 7. Then the predecessor of 4008 is 4007. Now here see 9070, 9070. Here see children, in the ones place 0 came. Okay, like this came means you should, I said no already in the first, you should see the, if 0 came in ones place, you should see the tens place. Okay, tens and ones place, and you should write the just before number of the 2-digit number. Okay, here see 9070. 0 is there no in ones place, so we will take 2-digit number, last 2-digit number, that means 70. What is just before number of 70? 69. So instead of that 2-digit number, you should write, take out the 2 digits and write in that place you should write 69, 9069. Okay, if 0 came means you should see like that. If suppose last 2 places zeros came means you should see 3 digits. That means hundreds place 2, hundreds times 1, 3 digits. Suppose in last 3 places zeros came means see 4th digit. Okay, now see here. The last one 3001. Last one's place 1 is there. What is the just before number of 1? 0. Then you should write 0 in the ones place. That's it. Okay. Now these are the predecessor. These are the predecessor of the given numbers. Now you understood no better. Here you should remember that if 0 came means you should see, if in ones place 0 came means you should see 2 digit. That means tens and ones, 2-digit number. In the last 2 places zeros came means you should see 3-digit number. Last 3 digits, hundreds, tens, ones. In last 3 places zeros came means you should see 4 digits and you should write the just before number of that thousands place. Okay, now come to successor. I said no, what is successor? Successor means just after number of the given number, just after number. Okay, now here also same beta, same you should see the last one's place only. Here very easy. Okay, now here see in the first number, first what is the number? 7342. Then you should see one's place. In one's place 2 is there, then instead of that 2 you should write the just be after number of 2. What is the just after number of 2? 3. Then you remove the 2 and write 3 in the successor. Then the number, then the successor of 7342 is 7343. Okay. Now second number 5678. What is the successor of 5678? Yes, usually here also you should check like that only. In the ones place I given 8. What is just after number of 8? 9. Then in the place of 8 you should write 9. Then 5679. 5679 is the successor of 5678. Now here 9010, 9010. Last 0 place 0 came now. 0 after what is just after number of 0? 1. Then instead of 0 you should write 1. 9011. Easy. Here no confusion. Predecessor only little bit confusion. Then also no problem. That also very easy. You should see the front before that before place. Okay. Now next fourth one 3225. 3225. In the ones place 5 is there. Instead of that 5 you should write the next number. What is the just after number of 5? 6. That is 3226. Next 6399. Yes, here you observe this one carefully. 9 came means how you will write instead of 9. No need to don't write 10 in that place. Okay, you should, if 9 came means in predecessor how you wrote, if 0 came means how you write, like that here also if 9 came means you should see the front digit. Okay, that means if 9 came in ones place you should see the 2 places of tens and ones place, 2-digit number. In the 2 places 9 came means you should see the 3 places. Here if you observe in last ones place 9 came, then you should see 2-digit number. 2-digit number also 99. 2 digits also 99. So you should see 3-digit number. Last 3 digit. That means 399. Okay, here 3 came now. So we should check for next immediately what number will come after number. 399 after what number? 400. So instead of that 3 digits place you should write 400, 400. 6,399 after 6,400. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, now here once again I will repeat. Whenever you want to write predecessor and successor, you no need to see all the digits in the number, you just see the ones place. Okay, ones place. In the place of ones, you should write before or after numbers, just before or just after numbers. If whenever you are writing predecessor, if zeros came in the last place, you should see the before number. In two places zeros came, see the 3-digit number. Okay, like that going on. And suppose in successor, successor means you should write in the, if 9s came, you should check, you should take 2-digit number. If 9 came in the ones place, you should take 2-digit number. In two digits, last 2 digits, that means 10s place and 1s place 9s came means you should see the 3 digits. That means 100s, 10s, 1s, 3 places. 10s, 100s, 10s, 1s. Okay, in 3 places 9s came means see the 4th digit and write the just after number of that 4th digit, and here zeros will come. Okay, these two are the points you should remember in your mind whenever you want to write the predecessor and successor. Okay, next. Here see children, palindrome numbers. What are palindrome numbers? A palindrome number is a number that remains the same. Okay, listen all of you. Palindrome number is the number, that also one of the number, whatever it may be. 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, like that. Whatever number. A palindrome number is a number that remains the same even when the digits are reversed. Even when the digits are reversed. That means reverse order. And suppose you see here front to back. And that means your extreme left to right. We will write any number from, we will start from left side to, we will end at the right side. No? If we reverse the number, we will write the number in reverse order. That means from right to left we write also. The number will remain same. Same number will come. Okay, like that some numbers I gave on the screen. Some examples I gave on the screen. Like that numbers are called palindrome numbers. Okay, what is the definition means? A palindrome number is a number that remains the same even when the digits are reversed. Okay, even when the digits are reversed. Here see children, you observe the first number, that is 4-digit number. If you see from extreme left to right, 6446. Suppose you read this number from reverse order, that means right to left also 6446 only. Same number, no, 6446. Yes, like these numbers are called palindrome numbers. See the second number 3223. If right to left also 3223. Next 5-digit number. This is the 5-digit number 56165. Extreme left to right. Suppose if you read right to left also 56165. Yes, same number. Okay. Next 37473. If suppose right to left, or if you read right to left means 37473. Next number 24942. Left to right. Right to left also same 24942. Okay. Like these numbers are called palindrome numbers. You should practice. You should take any other digits, other 1-digit numbers, and you should practice at house. Okay. And see children, here today's topic about predecessor and successor. Very important. Predecessor and successor. Once I will show you the slides. See, today we discussed about predecessor and successor. Okay, predecessor means just before number. Successor means just after number. Predecessor means just before number. Whenever you want to write the predecessor, you just see the ones place. Okay. Remember that if in ones place 0 came means you should see the tens and ones place 2-digit number. In 2 digits also zeros came means you should see the 3-digit number. That means hundreds, tens, ones place. In 3 places zeros came means you should write the before number of that thousands place. Okay. Now successor means just after number. Just after number. Here also you should check the ones place only. And you should remember, in ones place 9 came means you check the 2-digit number. In last 2 digits also 9 came means you should check 3 digits, hundreds, tens, ones number. In 3 places 9 came means you should check, you should write the just after number of that 1000. Okay, thousands place, you should see the thousands place and write the just after number of that number. This is about predecessor and successor. Now one more we discussed about today, that is palindrome number. Palindrome number means the number remains same even when we write in reverse order. Yes, that is palindrome number. Here some examples are there. Next. Now these 3 days what we discussed about, what we learned, just I will give a number. Here see, one 4-digit number I gave on the screen, that is 2678. Here see children, the number name is 2678. How to write that number in expanded form? Yes, 2000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Okay, what are the place values? The place value of 2 is 2000, 6 is 600, 7 is 70, 8 is 8. What are the face values? Face value means what? Face value means the digit, same, the digit itself. Yes, place value means position, in which place that is. In thousands place means 1000, like that. Now what is the face value of 7? 7 only. What is the face value of 6? 6 only. What is the face value of 2? 2 only. What is the face value of 8? 8 only. Now these only, no? Next. Today we discussed about predecessor and successor. No? Now we will write predecessor and successor for the given number. What is the predecessor of 2678? Yes, you should see ones place. In ones place 8 is there. Predecessor means just before number, no? 8 before 7. Okay, so 2677 is the predecessor of the given number. Next, instead of 8 you should write after number. 8 after 9. 8 immediately after 9 will come. So 2679 is the successor of the given number. Okay, these all are the concepts what we learned up to today. Okay, thank you.